So once you've created an object, if you want to segment it, let me delete it. If you press delete, it deletes. If you want to undo it, you go to Control Z and it will undo it. So Command Z or Control Z and delete in your middle of your keyboard on Mac. So I can delete this. I can go and take a ball and then do the same thing. Go to this view, top view, make it flat, go there and drag it up, and then it should become like an object or primitive. I can press tab to see it as nerve or smooth. Tap again. So if you look at the viewport, you have the top view, then you have these. These are different ways of looking at something. You have wireframe, color wireframe, then you have hidden line, sketches. So there are different ways of looking at. Mostly we'll be looking at texture or texture wireframe. And then you also have what you call you can also change the mode here, but I would suggest not to change anything and keep it to default for the class. You have the layer panel right here. These are kind of an advanced menus that we are not going to use. There are three modes or three ways of selecting. One is the point, edge, and polygon. When nothing of the tool are selected, if you press spacebar, it will rotate between edge and polygon. So right now it is on edge and polygon. So point is when you want to select with your left mouse button, you can select different points by holding it. If you want to deactivate or deselect, you can click here. I can go in and select points or do backslash or the question mark. You can also select right here at the bottom. So if you press, nothing is selected. If you press again, it goes to edge, and this is going to select your edge. So edge are the lines that creates it, and backslash. If you press again to polygon, it selects your surface. So in a primitive, you have the edge, that is the edge of the line. Then you have the surface, which is called the polygon, and then you have the points that connects and makes the form. So these are different ways of selecting, and like I said, question mark on your keyboard or backslash, you deselect it. You can also select something by holding. You go to polygon, it's easier to see, and deselect. Holding your right key mouse and drag it all the way. You can also select half of it. You can deselect by clicking on it again. If you want to hold shift and deselect, then you can select it again, and you can select by holding nothing and then clicking over what you have already selected. So there are many ways of selecting. We will go into details about that. You can go and select and deselect from different viewport. So you have to really see it from all different angles. So you see now you think that you deselected all, but you can see that it is not selected. So you have to see from all different sides of what you're doing. Hope that helps.